Hey guys, a quick video here to show you what the inside of a dryer vent looks like. This one was actually in a condo unit that was connected to several other units, so if it catches fire, that's not good. Of course, no fire is a good fire to have in a home, but just a quick reminder, just get these cleaned annually, guys. This is the vent line that's running from the back of the dryer all the way to the outside of the house. Um, we at Conling's Carpet Cleaning Plus, we do this regularly. Obviously, we have the ability to scope it with a camera, make sure that we remove the fire hazard. So if you have questions, you'd like to schedule us, give us a call, 757-464-1741, right there on the screen. Thanks for tuning in.